looking at how we share an amount in a ratio. Okay, so first one, I've got to share £20 in the ratio of 2 to 3. So that means every time I give one person 2, that's every time. So every time I give Bob £2, I give Jim £3. Okay. So that means when I share out once in my ratio of 2 to 3, I'm giving out in total £5. Okay, so these are my totals. And then I've got Bob and Jim. So once I've got £5, what I actually want to share in total is my £20. Okay, so what I do is I'm going to put my £20 underneath, and what I want to work out is how many times I have to share out £5 to get to 20. So how many times do I have to repeat it? Well, I have to repeat it 4 times, so I'm going to times by 4. And hopefully what we remember about ratios is whenever you times one thing by an amount, you have to times the other parts by it as well. So I'm going to times 2 to 3 by 4, and that's going to give me 8 to 12. So one person gets £8, one person gets £12. Okay, we'll just have a look at another one. So if we look at the second one, I've got to share £50 in the ratio of 7 to 3. So my ratio is 7 to 3. If I share out £7 and then £3 to 2 people, I've shared out £10 in total. Okay, I want to share out £50. So I need to do this 5 times. Because I've times my total by 5, I have to times both my shared parts by 5 as well. So I'll get 35 to 15. And we can always double check, because what we should get is whatever our ratio adds to. So in this case, it's 35 add 15 should get to my 50, which it does. Last one I just want to show you. Okay, this time we've actually got 3 parts to our ratio, but nothing changes. So I'm going to share out £1, £2 and £3. So this time I'm just sharing between 3 people instead. So the more parts you've got, the more people you've got. That's all. If I give one person £1, one person £2 and one person £3, in total I've shared out £6. Okay. Once I've done this, I've got £12 in total. So how many times do I share 6 to get to 12? Do that twice. So that means I've got to times all of these by 2. So I will get 2 to 4 to 6. Just going to double check. 2 add 4 add 6 does give me 12. So I'm happy with my answer. Pause the video now for me and have a go at those 2 questions yourself, and then hit play again and we will go through them. Okay, so pause now and have a go for me. Okay, so what we should have got for this first one, I'm sharing out in the ratio of 5 to 1. Okay, that means when I give £5 to one person and £1 to someone else, I've given out £6 so far in total. I want to give out 30, so I need to do this 5 times to get to my 30. Because I've times that by 30, I have to times my 2 parts of my ratio by 5, so I will get 25 to 5. Always double check. 25 add 5 gives me the 30 I'm looking for. Last one, just have a quick look at. Sharing £40 in 2 to 3. So my ratio of 2 to 3, if I give £2 to one person, £3 to someone else, I give out £5 in total. I've got £40 to give out overall, so I need to do this 8 times altogether. So I'm going to times both of my numbers here by 8. So I will end up with 16 to 24. Just do our double check. 16 add 24 does give me 40, so I'm happy. Okay guys, can we get on to show my homework? Can we have a look at the questions that I've touched on there, please? And then make sure we get them marked and fed back using the Google Forms link that is on Show My Homework. Any issues, please email me.